You feel broken, don't you? Like life took too much from you. Your peace, your trust, your hope. But listen, God is not finished with you yet. He's picking up every shattered piece, every moment you thought was wasted, and he's rebuilding something stronger than before. You lost some things, yes, but you didn't lose God. And that means your story isn't over. The same hands that created you are now restoring you. If you believe God is rebuilding your life piece by piece, comment Amen.